Hey foodies, Abyssinia here, and I'm back with a recipe video. Today we are making Jiffy Cornbread mix, but we're gonna spruce it up a bit and make it our own. So I'm making this into a Mexican style cornbread. It's really good, really easy, and quick to make. So yes, I am taking a shortcut by using Jiffy as a base, but hey, sometimes you just don't feel like measuring out baking soda and messing up your batter. This is a fail-proof way to do it. As always, have fun with your recipes, play with your ingredients, subtract or add. Maybe you don't want to use corn, don't add the corn. So once you have all of your ingredients mixed in your bowl, you want to go ahead and bake it at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes, and then bam, you have this amazing, soft, delicious cornbread. So head over to foodforfoodies.co for the full recipe and let me know what you think.